I know you're looking for unlinked codes, so in this video, I'm not going to show you just any kind of unlinked codes, but I'm going to show you the only 3 unlinked codes you need on your Android TV, Amazon TV, or Android TV box in 2025. The reason I'm saying the only unlinked codes is because these are the most updated unlinked codes on Android TV. In these unlinked codes, the libraries are updated to 2025, so these are the best 3 unlinked codes that you need on your Android TV in 2025. So if you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share more important videos like this.
Before we continue, I want to show you this TV box I'm currently using called S5 Max Link TV box, and it's very good with 4K images and 4K videos. Also, it comes with various applications, some basic applications, and it has an app store. Now, not all applications are in the app store, so you can also add an other app store if you're interested in more applications. Here are the various applications in these app stores, and there are lots of them, and they're very nice applications. You can just go ahead and try out. So let's try out one of the applications like my VOD. It gives you videos on demand. Also, there's another application like my TV. It gives you channels that you can watch on your Sling TV box. So these are some of the applications in this TV box. This TV box has 116 gigabyte space, and also it is very affordable. If you want to know more, check the description on this video. There is a link that is going to lead you to where you see all the features of this TV box. Now let's continue.
That's it, let's go ahead. Now, there are tons of other unlinked codes that you can use on your Android TV, but these 3 unlinked codes that I'm about to show you, as I said, are the most updated codes. So all of these codes are all updated to 2025, and that's why I prefer them or recommend them as the best unlinked code that you should know or have in 2025. So what are they? I'm going to start this video by showing you how to get the unlinked app and also how to get the downloader app. Now, if you already know how to get the two of these, you can skip to the part where I'll be talking about the unlinked code. But if you don't know how to get downloader and unlink, then watch closely. Now, the reason I'm talking about downloader is because we need the downloader app to install unlink on Android TV. So to install downloader, we'll follow the steps I'm about to show you. If your Android TV has Google Play Store, it's simple. Just go out to your Google Play Store and search for unlink. But if you have an Android TV without Google Play Store, then this is what you should do. In my case, I'll go over to my browser, which is my Google browser, as you can see here. The reason I'm using Google browser is because I don't have Google Play Store installed on my Android TV. So I'll come over to my browser and then I'll just go ahead and search for the application, which is downloader. So what I'll do is in the search box, I'll type downloader app. Now, even though I already have it in my suggestion here, so I'm not going to type it all again. So since I have it here, I'm just going to click that in my suggestion. Now, as you can see on my screen, downloader is going to show on my result page on my browser. Now, if it's your first time typing on your browser, if you come over here and click on it, it's going to ask you to log into your Google on your browser, which is very simple. Just put in your email and your password, and then you are good to go. Once you do that, you're going to see Google Play web version here. I can go ahead and install the download application without any issues from the Google Web Play. Once you use your browser, you're going to come out with the result as this. And once you install downloader, from here you can just go ahead and launch it. So this is downloader, it has been installed. Downloader is a superb application for Android TV users or Fire TV users or any TV user. In downloader, you can search for apps, websites, or files by just typing in a particular code. And in this case, we are looking for the unlinked code or the unlinked application. And for us to install the unlinked application, we just have to come over to downloader box and type in this code. It is quite very simple. Now, once you type in this code, just go ahead and launch. Now, once you click go, it's going to bring us to the part where we can install the unlinked application to our Android TV. So this short code 10381 is the code that we use to install the unlinked application to Android TV. And once you type it, as you can see on my screen, it's going to start downloading the unlinked file straight away to our Android TV. And once it's done downloading, we are going to install it to Android TV. The unlinked app has been downloaded right now. So what I'll do is just go ahead and install it. It is very easy. Once you are done downloading, just click install, and now the application is installed. Now from here, please don't open straight away. Come back, delete the app file from your Android TV. Then you can return home, and then you can open the app right now. So I go over to my apps and I come down here. This is the unlinked application that we just installed using downloader. And once you launch it for your first time, this is how it looks like. Now this is how you add a library. Remember, we're here to add 3 important libraries. Now I just want to say these are not the only libraries, there are other libraries, but for me, these are the most updated libraries in 2025. So that's why I recommend these 3 libraries as the best in 2025. Now, once you come over here, how do you add a library? Just click on the box here that says add new library, and you go ahead and type the first library. So the first library is the word Fire Stick, and once you launch it after typing in, this is how the description page is going to look like. Now I'm just going to blur part of this, but I want you to look at what I'm showing you. You realize that it says that here the latest updates are in June 2025, and that's what I was talking about. These libraries are updated in 2025, and that's why I recommend this as the best. So this is the first, and as you can see on my screen, it says the library have been updated in 2025. That's why I really recommend this as one of the best library codes in 2025. So once you go over here, you can go ahead and launch. Now I'm going to be blurring this. You know the reason YouTube policy doesn't allow me to show some of the applications here. So I'm going to be blurring this for that purpose. Now I'm just going to quickly show you if it's your first time coming over to Unlinked and you don't know how to install an application, then I want to show you how to install an application from here. To install an application, what you have to do is just to scroll to the particular application that you want to install. It can be whatever application that you find here. So let's say for instance, I want to install this particular application. What do? I just go over here and click on it once. There's a pop-up that is going to come up and it's going to ask me to download. So I'll click download, and then the application is going to start downloading to my Android TV. Now once it's done downloading, it's going to ask me to install, and then I'm going to click install, and then I'll install the application to my Android TV. And that's how easy it is to download and install an application from an Unlinked library. So that's it. Let's go ahead to the next two library codes. So I will show you the first one. Let's move on to the next. So to move on to the next, you just return home or return to where you can add a library. Now the next library is another code. I'm going to type it now here. So here's the library code EMG YouTube. So once you type it, you just go ahead and launch. And just like the previous library, this one is also updated to 2025. I'm going to be blurring, but as you can see, what I'm showing you here, you realize that it's all updated to 2025. Now once you do that, you just go ahead and launch. I'm also going to bring you to this library of tons of applications. Sorry, I'm blurring this. I already explained it earlier. YouTube policies don't allow me to show all the applications in this library, so I'm blurring this for that purpose. So this is the library, and once you come over here, it's all divided into categories of live TV, movies, official apps, sports, and so on, utilities, VPN, and all the rest. So you can come over here and choose whatever you want and just go ahead and install like I showed you earlier. So let's move on to the last library code, and the last library code for me is my best code. In fact, that is the code I use often. It's the best code for me, or the best Unlinked code I have seen so far. That's why I kept it for the last. Now that code is simple. I just go over here just like the other two codes and I type in. So here's it, everything. Once you type it just like the previous two codes, you just go ahead and launch. Now, just like the previous two codes, you can see the applications here are all updated to 2025. In fact, this is the best code for me because all the applications here are very cool, and this could have more application. As a matter of fact, you're looking for an application on Android TV, it is found here. So once you go over here, these are all the libraries here. There are tons of different libraries here of any category that you can want on your Android TV, and as I said, they're all updated to 2025, and that is why I call this the 3 best Unlinked codes that you need in 2025. Now that's it about the video. If you like it, make sure to subscribe and share for more important videos like this.